Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Dear students, this topic is LED interfacing with Pic 18F. Earlier I have explained the basic things related to LED types and common connections of LED, like we have discussed how to interface LED with microcontroller 8051. The basics remain same. What we have studied earlier, there are two types of LED connections. One is common cathode, another is common anode. As the name indicates, if cathode terminal of all LEDs is taken common, it is common cathode, otherwise it is common anode. So this is the interfacing diagram of LED with Pic 18F microcontroller. I have shown in this diagram that all these LEDs are connected to port pins, that is port C. So pin number RC0 to RC7. So different LEDs are shown. In series with each LED, a resistance of 330 ohm is connected. This is called current limiting resistor. अब देखो, अगर इस टाइप का कनेक्शन है, then in this case, this microcontroller, rather PIC microcontroller, acts as current source because PIC microcontroller has to supply current to glow the LED. Typically 25 milliampere current is required for each LED. Now remaining connections are same like other interfacing diagrams, that in between OSC1 and OSC2 we have to connect crystal oscillator. Then this is MCLR, that is reset master clear terminal. We have already discussed it in earlier diagrams. This is basically interfacing of LED with port C of PIC microcontroller. If port name is different, for example, if it is asked in the question that draw the interfacing diagram of LED with port D, then only names will be different. Remaining explanation coding will remain as it is. Let us discuss one type of coding. Question is, draw an interfacing diagram of LED with Pic 18F and write a program for flashing LED. So we are supposed to write embedded C program for flashing of LED. अब flashing का मतलब क्या है? Alternate LED, एक LED ऑफ है तो दूसरा ऑन होना चाहिए, तीसरा ऑफ होना चाहिए, फोर्थ एलईडी शुड बी ऑन एंड सो ऑन. फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लैशिंग मतलब क्या है? जैसे ये व्हाट आई सेड, each LED is connected to port pin of port C, that is RC0, RC1, RC2, RC3 up to RC7. Suppose हम लोग स्टार्ट ऐसे करेंगे, RC0 को जो LED कनेक्टेड है that should be initially off. ऑफ मतलब 0 बिट ऐसा कंसिडर कर लो. फिर दूसरा LED ऑन होना चाहिए, तीसरा ऑफ होना चाहिए, फोर्थ ऑन, फिफ्थ ऑफ एंड सो ऑन. सो this combination will be 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So it is corresponding to, this is 1 0 1 0, that is it is corresponding to 5. Similarly this group of 4 bits is corresponding to 5. So the corresponding hexadecimal code for this bit configuration is 0x55h. same way उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ डिले प्रोवाइड करेंगे. मतलब व्हाट आई सेड, पहला एलईडी ऑफ रहेगा, दूसरा ऑन रहेगा, फिर तीसरा ऑफ रहेगा, फोर्थ ऑन, फिफ्थ ऑफ, सिक्स्थ ऑन एंड सो ऑन. आफ्टर दैट वी विल चेंज द कंडीशन. मतलब जैसे पहला ऑफ था अब वो ऑन होगा. लाइकवाइज आई मीन व्हाइल जनरेटिंग द वर्ड you just have to interchange the positions of ones and zeros. So in this case, this combination indicates value A in hexadecimal form. This is also indicating value A. So corresponding code word will be 0xAAH. This is related to code word how to flash the LEDs. Now let us start discussing the program. So as usual, like earlier coding, first we will include the standard header file, then void delay, unassigned integer, then void main void. Since we are using port C is used as an output port, because what I said, whatever current is required for LED, that will be provided by port C pins. So first command is trace C is equals to 0. That means we are using this port C as an output port. Then we want to apply this thing, flashing of LED for infinity loop, infinity time period. So while 1, then port C, first condition 0x55. Just now I explained this condition. Apply a delay of 250 milliseconds. Nothing is mentioned in the question, so I'm assuming that I have to apply a delay of 250 milliseconds. This delay can be varied. Then port C 0xa, again second command, then again apply the delay. This is about the main program. Then about the delay, Like interfacing of LCD, same technique is used. So while delay unsigned integer y time, y एक दूसरा एक वेरिएबल यूज किया है. So unsigned integer I, then unsigned character j, हम लोग एक I integer यूज कर रहे हैं, character j यूज कर रहे हैं. Then we are using a for loop for I equals to 0, I less than y time, y एक वेरिएबल यूज किया है, I plus plus, and second loop for j is equals to 0, j less than 165. As we discussed in earlier coding also, this is the typical value 165 to provide a delay of 250 milliseconds, but it varies, it depends on the compiler that you are using, and j plus plus. So this is the delay subroutine which is used to apply a delay after a particular condition. So this is the way how to write the LED flashing program using using Pic 18F microcontroller. Now let us discuss one more program. So given question is LED is connected to each pin of port D. Write a C program that will turn on each LED from pin D0 to D7. Call delay model before turning on next LED. अब देखो डायग्राम से मैं सिर्फ पोर्ट के नाम चेंज किए मैंने. इट वाज अर्लियर इट वाज RC पोर्ट, आई मीन C पोर्ट, so RC0 to RC7. Now since it is mentioned in the question that each LED is connected to port D, so I have written RD0 to RD7. Entire diagram is same as like the previous program. हर एक पोर्ट पिन को, मतलब पोर्ट डी के हर एक पिन को एक एलईडी कनेक्ट किया. अब क्या करना है, एक वक्त एक एलईडी ऑन करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल, if I will switch on this LED which is connected to RD0, then I need to apply logic 1 to RD0 so that it will act as a current source and corresponding LED will be switched on. उसके बाद कुछ डिले प्रोवाइड करना है. Let us say delay of 250 milliseconds. After that I will be applying logic 1 signal to RD1. फिर से डिले अप्लाई करेंगे. Likewise we will repeat the procedure till the last LED which is connected to pin RD7 will be switched on. So let us write the code for this program. Now let us discuss the corresponding program. First we will include the corresponding header file, that is Pic 18F xxxx.h. Then as shown in the figure, we have connected LED to each port pin of port D. So we are define PD0, that is port D bits dot RD0, because RD0 के लिए पहला LED कनेक्ट किया है. Likewise we will define PD1, PD2 up to PD7 and for port D bits dot RD7. So we are using the pins RD0 to RD7 of port D. So this is the earlier part. Now we will define void delay, that is unsigned integer, then void main void. This is the main program. Since the LEDs are connected to port D will be acting as an output port. So trace D is equals to 0. While 1, we have to do this operation infinity times. मतलब हर एक LED glow करना है and the cycle will repeat till infinity times. So while 1, then फर्स्ट जैसे मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया while talking about the diagram, interfacing diagram, एक वक्त एक एलईडी ऑन करना है. सो फर्स्ट कमांड इज PD0 is equals to 1, मतलब पहला एलईडी ऑन किया, द फर्स्ट एलईडी इज कनेक्टेड टू पिन RD0, सो PD1 is equals to 1. Then apply a delay of say 250 milliseconds, because in the question it is mentioned call delay module before turning on next LED. तो एक एलईडी टर्न ऑन किया, उसके बाद डिले अप्लाई किया, देन PD1 is equals to 1. Again apply the delay, then PD2 is equals to 1. Likewise we will repeat it till PD7. मतलब एक के बाद एक LED हम लोग ग्लो करते जाएंगे. And while turning on the next LED, every time we will be applying the time delay of 250 milliseconds. Then this is the delay subroutine which is very much similar to the earlier program. So void delay unsigned integer y times. So unsigned integer I, unsigned character j. Again we are applying the same loop for I is equals to 0, I less than y time I plus plus, and j is equals to 0, j less than 165 and j plus plus. So this is the delay subroutine. So likewise you can write the program related to LED interfacing with Pic 18F. So dear students, that's it for today's session. So thanks a lot for watching this video.